Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel, the Forex Nexus. In this video, we will explain about the how to trade with trend and how to identify a trend and which re-entry is valid and which re-entry is invalid. Mostly students are asking about the re-entries, that they are catching the re-entries on when the market is ranging, so they are catching the ranging area and they miss the trendy area. So before going to that answer, let me clear one thing about trend identification in Bbma. That's so simple and easy one. First of all, remember always think about the big picture, not the small one. These are short time frames, okay, and these are high time frames, major one. Someone commented that make a long video about trend identification, so in this video we will discuss about trend identification and the common mistake students are doing in trading with Bbma, that they are catching the ranging area re-entry. So how to catch the trendy area? Now let me show you. In Bbma we use EMA 50 for trend identification. In this is H4 chart, you can see here. So here we got the trend, bearish trend with the help of EMA 50, and this is bullish trend with the help of EMA 50, but this is minor trend, not major one. On daily time frame, you can see here this is major trend on daily time frame, some bearish trend because the EMA 50 is above the price and it's moving toward downside. With the help of Bbma, EMA 50, we can identify the trend. Here we know the price is above the EMA 50, so on daily time frame it's the bullish trend. Now here is the question, that the market break the EMA 50, so can we consider it a bearish trend now or a trend breakout? So the answer is no. Why? Because here at this point we didn't got any momentum. If we seen any momentum, then we can consider it a bearish trend. Also it will be a swing re-entry and the market can drop back to this demand zone. You can see here, when the market make a momentum after the breaking EMA 50 and also make momentum, the first re-entry, we can get a swing short here. Retrace, re-entry, CSM, re-entry on weekly time frame, swing short, re-entry and drop. So this is the higher time frame identification, but keep focus on this point when you got a breakout, and when you see a breakout at this point with no momentum, it means that the trend is still bullish, not a bearish trend. On weekly time frame, you can see here that we have strong bullish trend. Here we got the ranging area, and at this point we got a bearish trend for a while. Okay, and guys, but when you get no momentum area after the breakout, it means that there is something happening on short time frame and it's time to reverse. So on that time, when you got no momentum area, it means that it's a reversal time, and the market can change the trend on one step lower time frame like daily. Here and daily, you can see here we got no momentum area on weekly time frame. This is no momentum area on weekly time frame, and on daily time frame no momentum area. You can see no momentum. Also the Bollinger Band is flat. On daily time frame we got the trend breakout. You can see here, if we get more down, you can see here we got the trend breakout. Remember this trick: when you get EMA breakout, always focus on the momentum. If you got momentum, it means the trend is down. If you didn't got any momentum, it means the trend is still bullish or bearish, and you can hold your trade, and also you can make another entry there. So this is the simplest way how to make how to identify trend and how to make a swing entry after the momentum breakout of EMA 50. Now the question is, mostly students are making losses while making re-entries at this point. Remember, when the Bollinger Band is flat, don't take trade on, don't buy here, don't sell here, don't buy here, don't sell here, wait for the momentum. When you get the momentum, then you can take a sell or buy, because the powerful re-entries which we are taking with the help of MA 510 lows, when the market is trending, the Bollinger Band is expanding, and the both the moving averages, this one and this, you can see here, it's below the Bollinger Band is expanding, and it's below the middle band. So these re-entries are powerful re-entries. You can take these re-entries. Not every re-entry is a re-entry to take a trade on that point. So remember, when the Bollinger Band is flat, don't take trade at this point, because the EMA, we need MA 510 high below the mid BB, like this point you can see here, or here you can see the MA 510 low is above the middle band, so the buy reentry is valid. At this point, when the Bollinger Band, you can see here the MA 510 high is below the middle band, so the daily reentry is valid. But at this point, you can see the Bollinger Band is flat, we can avoid the reentry here at this point. Now at this point, you can see the MA 510 low is the green one is above the middle band, so we can take a reentry at this point. Now if you watch the previous video about the gold, the last two videos about the gold, so you will find this area which we mark on the H4 time frame upper band. Here we got the market reached and hit that point, MA 510 high on daily, also extreme plus MLV on H1 time frame. Here we will decide that the market is making here on the FX curve. Then in weekly time frame, the market will reverse back for the MA 510 low, re-entry buy. On daily time frame, we will focus on Bollinger Band, and also CST happen on H4 time frame, break the middle band, H1 momentum, also EMA 50 breakout. But on H4 we can see the EMA 50 is still below the price. So let's see in the next coming week we will decide that where the gold will go and where it will make setup for buy or sell. So this is the with this video. Hope you guys learn and hope you guys got your question answers, that how to make a trendy setup and how to identify a trendy setup. So thank you for watching the video. If you are new to our channel, you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for further lessons. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any question related to this video, so please must comment and comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned with us.